Hello. Today we're doing a deep dive into something that, well, we probably don't think about enough, our own blood. We're looking at a guide from Blood Test UK that's all about checking your sugar levels.
And specifically for everyone listening in and around Watford.
Exactly.
It's great to be here. Our whole mission today is just to show how a really simple test can actually save you from some pretty big health problems down the road.
And to break it down so it's super easy to understand.
That's the plan.
I love that. So let's start with the tests themselves. What is Blood Test UK actually telling us to look for?
Okay, so they explain there are two main ones. The first is called HbA1c.
HbA1c, that already sounds a bit fancy.
It does, doesn't it? But think of it like this. It's basically a report card for your body.
A report card? How does that work?
Well, sugar in your blood sort of sticks to your red blood cells. And since those cells live for about 3 months.
I see where this is going.
Exactly. The test just measures how much sugar is stuck to them. So it gives you a really good average score for the last few months.
That's a great way of putting it. So it shows the big picture. What's the second one?
The second one is the fasting glucose test. This one's more like a snapshot.
A snapshot.
Yeah, it measures your sugar level right after you wake up, before you've had anything to eat.
Got it.
And the guide really makes a point that these tests follow strict UK and NHS rules, so you know the results are accurate.
Okay, so we have a report card and a morning snapshot. But why should someone in Watford actually go out and do this? Why is it so important?
This is really the key part. The guide from Blood Test UK focuses so much on the benefits of, finding out early.
Right.
High sugar can hurt your body silently. It can be damaging your heart, your kidneys, even your eyes, long before you actually feel sick.
That is serious. So catching it early can stop that damage.
That's it, exactly. It's all about prevention. The source even mentions the NHS Diabetes Prevention Program.
So knowing your numbers gives you a chance to act.
It gives you control. You can make small changes, eat a bit better, maybe go for more walks. It isn't just about avoiding sickness. It's about feeling your best every day.
I think we all want that. Now let's talk logistics. Doing this in Watford, is it difficult to set up?
Not at all. It's incredibly easy. You can book an appointment at your GP or a local clinic right here in Watford.
And what happens when you get there? Is it a big, painful ordeal?
No, it's very quick. A trained professional, like a nurse, will just take a tiny sample of blood from your arm.
Just a quick pinch.
Just a quick pinch, and then it's over. And you usually get your results back in just a couple of days.
That sounds simple enough, but I do remember hearing something about a rule for that morning test, something about food.
Yes, that's right. The prep is key for the fasting test. You can't eat for 8 hours before you go in.
So no breakfast, no milky coffee.
Nothing like that.
Just water then.
Yes, water is absolutely fine. In fact, staying hydrated is good for the test.
Good to know. So who should be thinking about booking these appointments? Is it for everyone?
Well, the guide suggests a few things to look for. If you're over 40 years old, it's a smart idea to get checked.
Okay.
Also, if you have family members with sugar problems, your own risk is a bit higher.
And what about how you feel day to day? Are there signs?
Definitely. If you're feeling really thirsty all the time, or you find you're needing to, pee a lot more than usual, those can be signs. Or just feeling tired for no reason.
Right. Now, the big question, what about the cost in Watford?
It depends. If your doctor thinks there's a medical need, the NHS will cover it, so it's free.
And if you just want to check for your own peace of mind?
Then you can go to a private clinic in Watford. The guide says it can cost somewhere between, say, 25 and 100 pounds, depending on the test you choose.
So for about the price of a nice meal out, you can get a clear picture of what's going on inside your body.
Precisely. It's a very small price for your long-term health.
Yeah.
Blood Test UK really wants to get that message across. When you know your numbers, you are in control.
So let's just recap. The test is quick, it's easy, it's available right here in Watford, and it can stop health problems before they even start.
That's the takeaway. It's such a simple tool to help you live a longer, happier life.
So here's something to think about. We check our bank accounts, we check the oil in our cars. If one tiny pinch could help keep you healthy for years to come, what's stopping you from checking your own numbers?
It is the most important machine you'll ever own.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.